This is perhaps India's biggest worry, its growing number of unemployed population. Despite as many as 900 government set up employment exchanges all over the country, the youth is finding it difficult to find jobs. So are the employment exchange offices really doing what they are meant to do? We decided to check. This is the scene outside the office of the Employment Exchange in Pusa Road, Rajinder Nagar. In the 2 hours that our cameras were set up here, we found not one person walk in or walk out. This weekday morning, one would expect this office that should help desperate job seekers to be crowded is absolutely desolate.
The fact that there is not one person in sight at this branch of the New Delhi Employment Exchange perhaps speaks of how useful this office actually is. Our cameras were not allowed inside, but when I went in, I was told that facilities like vocational training and career counseling that would get the youth here existed only on paper. Perhaps why the job seekers are losing faith in this system, many not even aware of its existence.
"25-year-old Mahinder is hunting for a job for the last 4 years after completing his diploma in finance in 2010. Applying to hundreds of places has not helped him yet.
महिंद्र एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज के बारे में पता है?
नहीं मैडम, मेरे को पता नहीं है और मैं इस पे विश्वास भी नहीं रखता गवर्नमेंट पे। सुबह लोगों को जाते हुए देखते हैं, काम में जाते हुए लगता है कि काश मैं भी जाता और थोड़े बहुत इस उम्र में मतलब इस 25 साल के हो गए हैं और घर के लिए कुछ कर सके, कुछ एम्प्लॉयमेंट अनएम्प्लॉयड ही रह गए हैं।
Would things be different had he gone through the employment exchange? The possibility looks bleak. Amit completed his degree in hotel management from Bhopal in 2010. But even after 4 years of completing his studies, he remains unemployed and is struggling to find a job.
2010 में मैंने अपनी ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करी। उसके बाद मैंने अपना नाम एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज में रजिस्टर करवाया, लेकिन मुझे वहाँ से अभी तक कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया। मैं वहाँ कई बार गया, लेकिन वो लोग कहते हैं कि मार्केट में अभी कोई जॉब अवेलेबल नहीं है।
Living without a job in the capital city is tough. While states like Haryana and Rajasthan give a paltry sum as unemployment allowance, Delhi job seekers don't even get that.
आपको अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट अलाउंस मिलता है क्या?
नहीं, दिल्ली में तो ऐसा कोई प्रोविज़न नहीं है। अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट को यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ सुविधा नहीं दी जाती है।
Now here are some facts to put this in perspective. Rupees 11 crore is spent on the maintenance of employment exchange offices in Delhi. These offices do not provide any vocational training or career counseling to the applicants. Worse, it has failed in its primary objective of providing jobs to millions of youth.
The data shows a grim picture. According to the Employment Exchange data for the last 4 years, in 2011, 1,64,417 job seekers were registered, but a mere 175 were placed. In 2012, 1,38,327 job seekers were registered and only 1% of them got placed. In 2013, almost 1.5 lakh job seekers were registered and a shockingly small number of 73 got placed. In 2014, only 10 out of the 36,298 have found jobs till today.
Amit, ये बताइए,
It's no surprise then that for the young unemployed voter like Amit, the employment exchange is only a closed door.
एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज पे तो भरोसा भी नहीं रहा, तो लोग ऑनलाइन ही सब कुछ अपनी वैकेंसीज वगैरह देखते हैं, रिक्रूटमेंट देखते हैं, कहाँ निकली है जॉब, तो अब लोग वहाँ जाना प्रेफर भी नहीं करते।
Arshdeep completed his mechanical engineering from the University of Leeds in the UK, but has not landed a job for the last 2 years.
After coming back and when I started to apply at different job portals, but nothing happened. I mean, I was not even called for an interview.
While the political parties are promising to create job opportunities for the youth, fallen hopes and barren dreams haunt the unemployed youth day in and day out. And one can only hope that whichever government comes to power, it will bring with it better opportunities for the youth of this country.